going to present about the Science Museum integration system today. First of all, I'm sorry to tell you that I'm not original speaker who applied for the session. He was absent due to important personal reasons. I will present here of him. I am his co-worker and user of this integration system for 3 years. And I'm not worried because I have this script that he wrote himself. This is content. Introduction, necessity, Science Museum integration system model, and flow of data. Body from 2 to 4 is optimized function of Science Museum integration system. This function is using now after development in our Science Museum. And database of exhibit, management of exhibition, maintenance of exhibit, and conclusion. Science Museum needs an integration system because there are a lot of different kinds of shop. Busan National Science Museum consists of several parts, as you can see, such as management of exhibition and maintenance of exhibit and education and other activities. The Science Museum is making a lot of different kinds of data. This is the integrated model that I'm proposing. This model can integrate data of this source system for example, ticketing system, database of exhibit, management of exhibition, maintenance of exhibit, education, and homepage. Flow of data in the exhibition integrated system. Data is managed and utilized in a single and integrated system with the workflow of a science museum. Data is generated, transformed, stored, and extracted in single integration system. Let's assume that data is living things, but the life cycle is very long and the range of activity is very wide like human. Flow of data is generating various data, monitoring data, status and result, transformation of data, process it after actual job, and save to DB statistics system, data, extraction and analysis. Database of exhibit. The exhibition DB has information about the exhibit themselves. The exhibition DB provides basic information and asset management function of the exhibit. The following are design consideration. Essential initial information of exhibit such as name, its location, and its function. Scalability according to change in exhibit. Exhibits are changed over time. It means its data must be changed too. This is serious and important. Basic data for the entire integrated system. Exhibits are the basic unit of the whole system. DB design requires the most time for data and DB configuration. As a result, exhibit has the greatest impact in the exhibit integration system. DB of exhibit register having basic data of exhibit. RFID asset management, we have function that detects by RFID asset management. Having management operation manual. If click the button, you can see maintenance manual of exhibit. Exhibit is created by PDF format. This is very effective since it can be done through mobile phone too. Second is measure of exhibition. Measure of exhibition is broadest system operation. The key is to increase efficiency. The following are design considerations. Approach from a processor point of view. The purpose is to make a standard model of process. Business analysis is the most important. We should know business actually in field. It makes to increase efficiency. Data is generated, processed, and stored in the system. This is statistically useful for big data. System integration managers that specific departments need to design and deploy system. Having integrated point of view, not specific or narrow. Manager of exhibition. Exhibition operation dialogue. This is a function that shows summary of what happens in the science museum in a day. In perspective of operation, for example, you can see how many tickets are sold in a day, income, number of breakdown of exhibits, and so on. This data can be restricted and used as statistics. Data can enter at any time since it is connected to the on-site PC. When the report is complete, the PDF file is automatically created and sent to all employees in email format. This is also a good statistics database of Science Museum. This system is having software of ticket vending machine. You can set up a ticket vending machine with a receipt printer and a touch monitor. User can select the type as they want, such as time or tongues. This is display of ticket vending machine. When you select an exhibition and time, the ticket is printed. The third is a maintenance of the exhibit. Traveling exhibits are measured. Busan National Science Museum has more than 98% active exhibit. Quickness and completeness of maintenance are important. The break exhibit in the Science Museum are the worst. The following are design considerations. Standardized business processes. The exhibit maintenance process should be defined. User interface accessibility. Our system use both mobile and PC for user interface accessibility. Data singularization. It is one of data in server, but you can use it many ways. Analysis monitoring. The system has maintenance cumulative data monitoring function. Our system uses both mobile and PC for user interface accessibility. We can download at Google Play for using the mobile app. We have a PC version on same data. Business processes, repair requirements, repair request. If floor staff and staff find breakdown of exhibit, they take a picture and record the status with their mobile phone and repairing. When the server receives a repair request signal, it automatically sends a message to the repairman. After the repairman checks the message, he changes the status of processing and start repair exhibit. Repair completion. After completing the repair, the repairman takes the picture of the result on his cell phone and store in their server. Of course, we get DB of history repair by this processing. Enhanced monitoring. The mobile version is simple, the PC version is detailed. The system has maintenance cumulative data monitoring function. We can also see the maintenance schedule. This is monitoring of PC version and mobile version. Conclusion. I just show you step 3. This is preparation for step 4. We must gather the data. Step 1. The absence of the IT system. Data is scattered on personal PC in the format. Lack of accuracy and efficiency. Step 2. Absence of integrated system. Computation is done, but system exists separated by department. The difficulty of integrated management. Step 3. Exhibition integration system. Data is generated, transformed, stored, and extracted in single information system. Integration of essential function. Integrated statistics available. Step 4. Exhibition integration system having big data platform. We need to index data about visitor status and this on exhibit. With those data, we can make a more rational decision. We are developing a function. We are ready to a big data platform. If you have a question, send an email. Thank you.